Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to check out how you can earn $5 by completing 5 surveys. It's as simple as it sounds, so stick around to find out more. How it works. 1. Create an account. First, you need to sign up and log in to start taking surveys. 2. Select surveys. Choose surveys based on their rating and duration. Keep in mind, not all surveys will be available to you because they're looking for specific people to answer them. 3. Survey process. Once you pick a survey, you'll be asked some qualifier questions before you can proceed. 4. Help FAQ. If you have questions, you can refer to the FAQ page, where you'll find answers about how to earn, why some surveys aren't available, and if you can use a VPN. Earning your $5. After completing 5 surveys, you'll get $5 instantly. It's a straightforward process that's easy to follow. Cashing out. Once you've earned your $5, head to the cash out section. Payment options. You can choose PayPal or gift cards, depending on your country. Withdraw up to $250. For those who want to earn more, you can withdraw up to $250. Enter PayPal email. Simply enter your PayPal email, confirm the payment, and you're done. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.